Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share the pieces I got from the LoveShackFancy and Target collaboration. I am so excited. When I was in quarantine and I saw they announced this collaboration, I was like, yes, this is amazing. So I only actually chose 2 pieces, and typically with Target collaborations I go crazy and I buy like everything. But I wanted to choose 2 pieces that I thought I could wear throughout the summer and that would last. So excited to show you the 2 pieces I got. I was really curious about the quality and the fit and everything, the sizing. So stay tuned if you want to see which 2 pieces I got. More fun. Okay, are you ready for the first dress? The first dress is this adorable little tent dress. I mean, look at how pretty these clashing patterns are. And it's all pastel and just gorgeous. So it's kind of like a baby doll tent dress, and I was debating between this one and the longer midi one. And I wonder if the midi one fits a little less poofy, but I don't have it, so something to look into if you want to try both. But it's really pretty. They're self-tie straps, and then there's like a bit of an elastic piece here. I actually thought this was going to be too big when I saw it on the hanger, but once I tried it on, it's totally fine. I actually got a medium, and I'm usually medium in Target though. And this is what the flared hem looks like. It's definitely a mini dress, and you'll see it when I try it on. And it just says LoveShackFancy on the tag, and the tag is so cute. If you're like me, you love saving the pretty tags, and it's just so cute. And then it has her little story here, and then it has her photo. This one was only $40, which is a great price. I mean, that's a fraction. That's 10% of what a lot of her dresses run as. There's also a really cute one that, if you're into more fitted, there's also a really cute dress that is more of like a ruched body that fits really tight. That's really cute, and that's in a similar pattern. For the quality, it's like a very durable cotton. So I would say the quality fits this price in terms of $40, but excited to wear this for the summer. I think this would be really cute with little like nude slide-on mules or little sandals. So this is dress number 1. It is so cute. I think it would look really cute with one of these pearl headbands. This is from my own collection if you guys want to check it out. It's called Pastel Renaissance. How cute! It's so feminine and girly. That it has these really cute details. It has these little self-tie straps. One thing to note is it's definitely poofy. So you can see where it hits me. So I'm 5'6", and you can see that it's really short. The straps are definitely my favorite part. I think they're just so feminine. I almost wish there was a blouse in this. I feel like this would be a really cute blouse with like high-waisted jeans. What's nice as well is there are pockets. So there are pockets to make it a little more comfy. I wish it was a little bit longer. Here is the second one. It is so cute. So this is a gorgeous little pastel pink. It's kind of like a blue toned pink with blue little flowers all over. It is so pretty. I think they would call this like a tea dress, I think. But this one is really, really cute. It's different from the first one I showed you where it has more of a shape, so it has a fitted elastic waistband here. I wish it had a tie or something. I feel like that would really pull it together. And so the skirt part is actually really interesting. It's like an asymmetrical ruffle, so at an angle these ruffles kind of cascade. I think there's 3 layers? So it's a bit layered, which is nice, and it is lined, which is also nice. This one was more expensive than the other one. It is $55. So again, looks like this, and it has an adorable tag. I just love the tag. It makes it so much cuter. This one was $55. It has that weighted cotton. It actually reminds me a lot of vintage dresses, the type of cotton used for those. It's almost like washed, pre-washed a little bit, so it's soft. Yay! Okay, here is dress number 2. It's pretty. I wasn't too sure when I first put it on because it feels a little frumpy. Let's see what it looks like with this one. The cream. Okay, so here's how it looks full body. I feel like it's not the most flattering on me. It does look a little frumpy. It may not fit right in some places. But the waistband is nice. That is elastic. But it's pretty, and you can see the layers of ruffles. I feel like I might take this one back. But it does fit a lot longer. This one hits right above the knee, so maybe like mid-thigh. The quality is nice. So if you are looking for this type of tea dress, I feel like this would be a good one for you. Maybe not the best one for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which dress was your favorite, the baby doll tent dress or the pink tea dress. Both are really, really pretty. I feel like this collection is definitely worth checking out, at least getting a piece or two. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I love making these types of videos, so definitely let me know if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.